Hello, my name is Jose Bautista and I will talk about water jet cutting. Here is the agenda for the video. First, we'll talk about what is water jet cutting. Then we'll talk about some of the components and characteristics of water jet cutting. Lastly, we'll discuss some challenges and alternatives. According to manufacturing, engineering, and technology, water jet cutting is based on the force resulting from the momentum change of a stream of water. This force is sufficiently high to cut metallic and non-metallic materials. Early forms of water cutting started early in the 1930s by the Paper Patents Company. It is important to use clean water. Clean water equals to longer machine life. Waters with concentrations of iron and calcium can deteriorate water jet pumps. Water jet sizes vary from 1 by 1 foot tables to very large 46 by 13 feet tables. Machine size and technology, there may be additional parts. Some of the typical water jet components are the water pump, abrasive regulator, a controller, a cutting table, and a cutting head. Water pumps can deliver low pressures which would be considered anything under 69 to 103 megapascals, all the way to hyper pressures which include anything above 520 megapascals. A majority of cutting applications are made in two-dimensional paths which require a controller that at least interpolates two servo axes simultaneously. Abrasive and pure water jet cutting are two different types of the same basic technology. Pure water cutting involves a water stream piercing a material and creating the cutting action, whereas abrasive cutting utilizes fine particles mixed in the water stream. Since abrasives are harder than water, abrasive cutting is ideal for harder materials. A water jet cutter is ideal where a heat-affected zone is not acceptable. It is also ideal when you want to work with diverse materials. If your part requires tight tolerances or is thick, you can consider using a water jet cutter. Some advantages are that cuts can be started anywhere on the part. Water jet cutting produces minimal burr and it's an environmentally safe process to use. While cutting, there is no heat produced. As mentioned before, water jet machining can cut through different materials. Machines do not require a tool change. Some challenges a water jet cutter has are cutting times for larger scale projects. Low quality water jet orifices have a tendency to break down and disrupt cutting, resulting in lost time and productivity. Also, the thicker the parts, the less accuracy you'll have. Water jet cutters machines can generate loud noise, and because of water splash, you'll need proper ventilation and a drainage system. Some alternatives to similar finishes and accuracy in parts are plasma cutting, laser cutting, and electrical discharge machining. Here is a list of my references. Thank you.